Okay, we're now looking at 21st of November. We're now looking at the New Zealand dollar pair. Chart in front of us at the moment is a weekly. Okay, we started this aggressive uptrend after this engulfing green candle going back in June, and have pushed up pretty aggressively ever since. Okay, last week a small doji, a rejection, hammer bottom, whatever you want to call it, a spike lower, small body, would have been with a green body as well, which gives a better bias to the bullish side. Okay, and really didn't really get outside of the range much of this very bullish candle going back to the 1st of November. So in an uptrend, okay, slightly oversold, did have some divergence here that we should take a little bit of notice of. Okay, but definitely a long way off from turning bearish. So we've still got a bullish side, or a bullish tone to New Zealand dollar off the weekly chart. Daily, right, as always, my daily chart's looking a lot more complicated than my weeklies. Taking my bias off my weeklies, then trying to get wave counts, etc. Getting down into my daily and then into my hourly charts. So here I can see 5 up, 3 wave correction, again to a support level, and then this bullish move up to 161.8%. Okay, 79.16, and then this manner, this corrective move down here. The note, okay, the move down between 23.6 and 38.2. Note it was also hit our first support level going back on the 9th of November, a bounce up and then a move back down. 2 spiking candles here showing rejection around 76.86, and then pushed up. We're back in the buy zone. Okay, still we hit the 50 RSI, all looking pretty good. Even on Friday, okay, small ranging candle, but did come back, just clipped our support level again and then moved higher. So looking pretty bullish going into next week. If this is a correct count, if it is going to be a 5 count, then 261.8% is a long way off. This would be our first level to watch out for, okay, 82.22, and then possibly, notice I say possibly, too early to tell at this time, but 87.53 could be a potential target to the upside. Okay, taking it down into shorter time frames. Okay, this is our ABC. So it's looking a bit messy. Let's get rid of some of these trend lines. Okay, A, 3 wave chop up in B. Okay, and then down in C. Now what I can see here, I can see a few different scenarios unfolding. What I can see, let's just see if we can zoom in a bit better. That's it. Okay, I can see a possible head and shoulders formation, which obviously form at the bottom of a trend, a reverse head and shoulders obviously. Left shoulder, head, and a possible right shoulder. So I'm not adamant that this pair couldn't pull down slightly, probably the same time that euro dollar might pull down in that C wave that we discussed earlier. Okay, but only to form a right shoulder. If she breaks higher first thing on Monday, then I'll be looking for this level 78.78, which also happens to be a previous high, okay, the wave B high, as the first leg, okay, in this move back up. If she pulls down, then be looking for buying opportunities around this sort of level, 77.21. Be looking for spiking dojis, pincer bottoms, etc., to try and take this pair back up. But whichever way you look at it, be it a head and shoulders formation, be it a 5 wave count, okay, looking at the weekly chart is looking bullish, daily chart's looking bullish, okay, nice formation in the daily chart to the upside. Got to be looking for buy signals going into next week. And like I said, 78.78 first level, then we'll probably expect a pullback down, and we'll see how she unfolds from there. If we get this pullback down first, okay, and then a break of the neckline, then we're going to be looking for a slightly different target. Okay, hold on 1 second. If that occurs, then I'm looking for this level, okay, 79.53. Okay, good luck, and I'll speak to you again soon.